Abel Damina, founder and president of Abel Damina Ministries International (ADMI), has stirred fresh controversy with his assertion that church offerings and tithe are not given to God. The outspoken preacher made the statement in a viral video clip from a Sunday service sermon, a platform where such bold and provocative remarks are rarely heard. He declared,
"No offering goes to heaven. No offering goes to heaven. Every time we gather offerings in this church, it is men that spend it. No offering goes to heaven. All the offerings we give to God, they go to men. All."
Damina has built a reputation for challenging mainstream Christian doctrines, especially those he believes manipulate believers' perceptions. In January 2025, he caused a stir online when he taught that smoking and drinking are not sins in Christianity.
Do not know that if Adam and Eve ate something, they will not be sinners. It is not what people eat that make them sinners. It's not what you eat. You cannot be a sinner by eating or drinking something. I've told you alcohol is not a sin. I've told you cigar is not a sin. If you like, put it on newspaper headline. I said it. Alcohol is not a sin. Cigar is not a sin. Am I saying you should smoke? You should have sense from your father's house to know that cigar will cut short your life. Am I saying you should drink alcohol? You should have sense to know that if you drink alcohol, you will lie down inside gutter and your shirt and trouser will disappear. You should have sense to know that one from your mother's house.
Meanwhile, during Sunday's viral sermon, Damina went further to suggest that some pastors distort the purpose of tithe and offerings to influence thinking of their congregants.
Even those tithe mongers that tell you when you pay tithe, the doors of heaven are open. The doors have been opened since Jesus rose from the dead. The doors have never been closed. They are just working on people's minds. I heard some of them say that I'm an evil person because I say you shouldn't pay tithe. That he and his children's children will pay tithe. He has to talk like that so that he will keep collecting from people. If he doesn't talk like that, people will not keep giving him.
While this has stirred up controversies online, with many people sharing their thoughts, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Drop your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.